Hi everyone, welcome to this video on how to start trading in the stock market. I'm here to help you understand the basics of stock trading and how to get started. Let's imagine that you have a piggy bank and you have some money saved up that you'd like to invest. One of the ways you can do this is by buying stocks in companies that you believe will do well in the future. First, you'll need to open a brokerage account with a company that specializes in stock trading. This is where you'll buy and sell stocks. Think of it like a bank account, but for stocks. Next, it's important to do your research. You want to make sure you understand what the company does and how they make money before you invest your money. You can read articles, watch videos, and talk to others to get a better understanding. Once you've found a company that you'd like to invest in, you can buy stocks in that company through your brokerage account. The price of a stock can go up or down, and you can make money by selling your stocks for a higher price than you bought them for. Now, here's the important part: you have to be patient. Stock prices can change quickly, but it's important to remember that investing in the stock market is a long-term investment. It's like planting a tree. You won't see the fruit for many years, but if you water it and take care of it, it will grow and bear fruit for many years to come. So, to recap, if you want to start trading in the stock market, you'll need to follow some steps. Step 1: Open a brokerage account. Step 2: Do your research. Step 3: Buy stocks in a company you believe in. Step 4: Be patient. And that's it. It's really that simple. Of course, there's a lot more to learn about stock trading, but this is a great starting point. I hope this video has been helpful, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Happy investing!